name is Tejaswini Sambhaji Kadam. I am going to talk about 160 sentence. Subject: I, you, he, she, it, we, they, boy, boys. WH word: what time, how long, how often, when, where, why, with whom. Affirmative sentence: I can play, you can play, you can play, he can play, she can play, it can play, we can play, they can play, boy can play, boys can play. Negative sentence: I cannot play, you cannot play, you cannot play, he cannot play, she cannot play, it cannot play, we cannot play, they cannot play, boy cannot play, boys cannot play. Affirmative questions: can I play, can you play, can you play, can he play, can she play, can it play, can we play, can they play, can boy play, can boys play. Negative questions: can I not play, can you not play, can you not play, can he not play, can she not play, can it not play, can we not play, can they not play, can boy not play, can boys not play. WH affirmative questions: what can I play, what can you play, what can you play, what can he play, what can she play, what can it play, what can we play, what can they play, what can boy play, what can boys play. What time can I play, what time can you play, what time can you play, what time can he play, what time can he play, what time can she play, what time can it play, what time can we play, what time can they play, what time can boy play, what time can boys play. How can I play, how can you play, how can you play, how can he play, how can she play, how can it play, how can we play, how can they play, how can boy play, how can boys play. How long can I play, how long can you play, how long can you play, how long can he play, how long can she play, how long can it play, how long can we play, how long can they play, how long can boy play, how long can boys play. How often can I play, how often can you play, how often can you play, how often can he play, how often can she play, how often can it play, how often can we play, how often can they play, how often can boys play. When can I play, when can you play, when can you play, when can he play, when can she play, when can it play, when can we play, when can they play, when can boys play. Where can I play, where can you play, where can you play, where can he play, where can she play, where can it play, where can we play, where can they play, where can boy play, where can boys play. Why can I play, why can you play, why can you play, why can he play, why can she play, why can it play, why can we play, why can they play, why can boy play, why can boys play. With whom can I play, with whom can you play, with whom can you play, with whom can he play, with whom can she play, with whom can it play, with whom can with whom can we play, with whom can they play, with whom can boy play, with whom can boys play. Who can play, 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 who can play. Thank you.